here we are. I just put it in. It has really cool flashing LED light, announcing that it's turned on. There's another foil. Nice. Here is the lid. Filling with clean water. Here it is on the top. And now, no, it's fine. You just open it. Nice. Let me remove this. I don't think that part. It needs space for opening. It will be on the top of the fridge, but I just wanted to show on video, and here it will be more easy. So it is glass. It's really cold to the touch, so it should be glass. It's really nice looking device. It feels sturdy, except this one, but let's say it's okay. Here we have the tray for this, for transportation purpose. I can put it aside. This is maybe also, no, it's just sticking here, so maybe here also. So this should have been attached to that or something, because this part is catch with that. Never mind, we will just remove this somehow. Where the scissors. We have a bowl for fruit washing. It looks good quality. It doesn't have sharp edges or something. Okay. Yeah. Here we have another thing. Like that. Remove it. Didn't know that it comes with that. It's also from the same plastic, maybe. It's big enough. Let me remove the other. I don't want to scratch and make some rust appear sooner than I want. Never mind. So these are the you need to connect to the water supply if you're planning to do so. Standard socket. And just open it. It has a mesh. Or no, it doesn't have a mesh. Maybe. And this is the see. Also we have the hose for dirty water. More of that kind of transportation tape, and here it goes all the way. This is the where it goes, so you can remove it, of course. It feels good quality, as you can see, or maybe don't. The wheels are not rubber or something, but the paint on the grill, which is metal, of course, it is good quality one, or at least that's what it seems to be. We have two spinning things here, one on the top somewhere, where we also have the white. So we have user manual here. It could have been outside of the device. What it is. Transportation stuff. So the tray is removable. Let me put that here. It's removable, just have to press here and I cannot see it. So here and here. Okay. It's easy to do, just I don't know yet where exactly it is. Good looking tray, what can you say there? So this is the thing inside. Hope you guys can see everything. Sorry, I don't know how it will be looking, but that's all about it. We have a LED white, something on the upper edge of the device. Not sure what is that. If you know what this is, please tell me. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Here you can put the salt. It's a container place for the salt. And this is place for the dirty stuff that you should remove. That's it.